Murder and mystery covering South Carolina. Lawyer Alex Murdaugh is charged with insurance fraud for allegedly trying to stage his own death so his son could collect insurance money. Our team is keeping a close eye on this situation. News Nation's Janelle Ford joins us from Hampton, South Carolina. Janelle, still a lot of unanswered questions as this case continues to develop.
Yeah, and Aaron, it's coming from the top down. Questions about who killed Alex Murdaugh's wife and son 3 months ago, what he was doing with the money he allegedly stole from his family's law firm, and whether or not he or his family is at fault with any of the mysterious deaths they've allegedly been linked to.
There's yet another lawsuit pending against the Murdaugh family. This one stemming from the 2019 boating accident Paul Murdaugh was awaiting trial for when he and his mother were murdered back in June.
I was brought into this lawsuit to prevent an injustice. I was brought in by the Cook family because there appeared to be an effort to blame Connor Cook wrongfully to achieve an arrest.
Joe McCulloch is representing Connor Cook, one of the passengers on that boat that fatal night. The police report from the incident says, quote, all of the passengers were grossly intoxicated. Paul Murdaugh reportedly driving when the boat rapidly accelerated and hit a piling, throwing 19-year-old Mallory Beach from the boat. Her body was found a week later. McCulloch alleges the Murdaugh family tried to pin the crime on his client.
There are so many mysteries, so many misleading things that have occurred in this case.
That mystery, an ongoing trend in the saga that's thrust the small low-country town of Hampton, South Carolina, into the limelight.
We have a watermelon festival once a year, and other than that, we don't do anything.
Ramona Ricks is a Hampton native and worked at the school where Alex Murdaugh's two sons went to kindergarten.
Hearing these allegations, twist after turn in this case, what are your thoughts?
I'm just very sad that this has happened in our town. You don't know what else is going to come up, Every day seems like it's something else.
She says because of that, she and much of the community are still hesitant to ruffle any feathers when it comes to the powerful Murdaugh family.
I'm just trying to be careful.
Now, I spent the majority of the day trying to speak to the community here in Hampton about this wild saga. But get this, Aaron, most people don't want to weigh in. As you heard from Miss Ricks there, spoke with a handful of people off camera. They told me that they're either scared or they have some sort of tie to the Murdaugh family. And it really shows that despite these new allegations, the Murdaugh's power and legacy still lives on.
Well, it's a twisting and turning story, Janelle, no doubt. But where is Alex Murdaugh right now?
Well, he's out on bond. All his attorney would say is that he's in an out-of-state rehab facility. In fact, when we asked his attorney yesterday what state that rehab facility it was in, he told us it was none of our business.